Digital spaces should be safe for everyone, but many women face violence and abuse online. In 2024, over 50% of African women, which includes young women, activists, journalists, have reported experiencing technology-facilitated gender-based violence, TFGBV. An effective way to tackle this challenge will be through the use of OODA loop, which was developed by Colonel John Boyd. OODA means observe, orient, decide, and act. We begin by observing. To understand tech-facilitated gender-based violence, we must first recognize how it shows up. It can take many forms, which includes cyber stalking, doxing, non-consensual image sharing, trolling, and harassment. To observe properly, you need to listen, watch, and collect data on women's experiences online. Observation helps us understand the scope and impact of digital violence. Next, we orient ourselves. We need to ask, why does TFGBV happen? Why are digital spaces unsafe for women? We have found out that this is as a result of anonymity online, weak reporting tools, lack of legal protection, and also social norms that silence women. Orientation helps us see the system behind the violence. After observation and orientation, the next thing is to decide how to respond. Should we launch awareness campaigns? Push for platform accountability? Do you want to educate women and girls on digital safety? Or advocate for better laws? These choices matter. Each decision brings us closer to a digital world where women are safe, heard, and empowered. Finally, we act. It's not enough to decide. You also need to take action. We launch campaigns that raise awareness, train policymakers, law enforcement, and community leaders to recognize and respond to TFGBV. And we measure what works to enable safer digital spaces. Action turns intention into change. This is how we build safer digital spaces for all. Observe, orient, decide, act. The OODA loop isn't just a strategy, it's a pathway to change. Let's make online spaces safer for all women.